Bing bong, hello. Hey, welcome back. I'm gonna get right into it. I told y'all yesterday I made friends, right? Ooh, and guess what? Oh, yo, this is what I've been chasing. I finally caught it. Cars and Coffee. Actually, this is my first Cars and Coffee, I think. So I got my coffee. Now let's go check out the cars.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. We are approximately 70,000 light years away from the planet Earth. It is said to inhabit various life forms: water, air, and land creatures. Total destruction is inherited from Roman descendants, opposed to the mindfulness of the ancient indigenous cultures. As we make our way towards the conscious mind galaxy, in the total form of nothingness, please enjoy the quiet bliss of consciousness. Thank you, and enjoy your flight.
Hey, just like that, we're out. It was real quick. Nice event. There's a lot of networking. I'm telling y'all, man, stay tuned. Keep your peace. I got you. 2 L's, 1 love. I'm out.